All right, here we go. Mr. Glenn, again, thanks for tuning in. What we're going to work on today is distributive property and combined like terms. All right, so hopefully you watched the previous videos to help you kind of get the concept what we've already talked about with distributing property. And so we're going to combine like terms as well. So first things first, we're going to distribute 5 times 2c plus 5 times 3. We're going to subtract 3c plus 4. That's a separate problem. Okay. All right, so from here we're going to do order of operations, PEMDAS. It says to solve parentheses first, but yes, these are parentheses. However, they are not, there's not a problem to solve in the parentheses. So what we're going to do is multiply 5 times 2c. That gives us 10c. And then plus 5 times 3, which is 15. And then bring the rest of the problem down. All right? So then we go back to order of operations. We're going to add what we can add, but there's no term that's next to each other that we can add together or subtract. So we're going to combine them. So we'll write 10c, and this is minus 3c, which is 7c. I want to give a shout out to Coach Parrish for giving me that idea. And then we have 15 plus 4, which is 19. And that's a positive 19. So there's our answer. And I write it a little neater here. 7c plus 9. And we cannot combine these terms because they are not alike. 7c plus 9 is our answer. Then we move over to another problem that's very similar to the previous one we just worked. And we're going to start with distributing because that's multiplying. We cannot solve anything on the inside of the parentheses. As you can see, we cannot combine 2a with 1, and we cannot combine 6n minus 11. So we first have to distribute. So we're going to do 3. I'm just writing it a little bigger for people to see. So we're going to write 3 times 2a plus, and I use the arrows to indicate what I'm going to do, plus 3 times 1, right? Then remember, that's minus, so we have to, it's a negative 1 also, so we got to distribute negative 1 times 6, so negative 1 so negative 1 times 6 is negative 6n, and then negative 1 times negative 11 is positive 11. So we combine, or multiply in this case, this is going to be 6a plus 3 minus 6n plus 11. And then we combine terms where we can. Right? So we end up with 6a, and there is no another like term. This is 6n, but we do have 3 plus 11. 3 plus 11 is 14. So here is our answer, because we cannot combine any terms there. Well, once again, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video, but who enjoys math, right? But hopefully it was a helpful video, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share with those that you think that may find this helpful, and not to mention, comment in the comment section. Give me suggestions and give me questions that you may have. All right, you have a good day. Thanks for tuning in to Mr. Glenn. Bye.